How's it going, guys? I am Chase with WIKD Motorsports, and today is quite possibly the most special video that we've ever done because we are unboxing for the very first time our very own exhaust system. Now this is going to be going on the McLaren 720S behind me. We've got the C8 Z06 in the background. They're both getting our exhausts ahead of PRI, so I'm excited. Let's get into it. You might hear cars in the background. We're actually in the shop, if it's not obvious. Are we ready? Let's see it. Okay, hold on, real quick. I'm gonna set some of this stuff to the side so it doesn't get knocked around. Oh, dude. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. We have been working on all this for quite some time. We've been inundated with the pictures of them, but man, seeing it in person for the very first time, look at that. I mean, look at this. Holy crap, dude. Look at these welds. This is incredible. Yeah, let's get this out of the way. Look at this. Dude, this is so cool. Holy crap. Man, the welds on it just look absolutely fantastic. We've got the WIKD logo right here, and I suspect in this box this must be the downpipes. But man, and I assume this must be one of the exhaust tips. All right, let's get this opened up. Dude, I'm so excited about this. We've been editing and like looking at pictures of these exhausts for months now, and it's just been anticipation because obviously we got PRI, which is, like I said, what these are here for. And so to see them finally in person is just super special. Let's see these downpipes. Oh, look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Rango, look at this.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, look. Even got WIKD engraved on there. That's amazing. Oh, yeah. Man, this is just so cool. Perfect. Man, this purple looks absolutely fantastic. Now, these are going to be on display at PRI. As soon as we have the tips, we can show you those. Just like that, we have the tips right here. So let's get these babies open. Oh, we've even got the logo on the tip. Dude, how cool is that? Cool, perfect. Actually, look at that. We have options. So this is actually going to be the tip that would match. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Still has the logo and laser engraved. Man, I mean, this just looks absolutely incredible.
The 0400 is...
Gotcha. Okay, so 0400 is the titanium. Perfect. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty well, that's the 720 exhaust. They're already wrenching away at the 720. They're getting it torn apart because we are on a time crunch. So
Show the camera.
McLaren make like.
He's beating you, Michael.
Yeah, what's up?
He's beating you.
He's beating? Yeah.
Look what he has. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna
It'd be cool if they,
Technically a
put the
day.
wing on and leave all this shit off.
C8 Exhaust. Just for the show.
Yeah.
The fact that you
But
have
for
to.
Oh, Michael, you're the best technician.
See?
Good for God, friends.
I'll put my hand right here.
Oh, hey. What's up, guys? We've got our brand new C8 Z06 exhaust here. It's gonna go right on this bad boy, and it's titanium, and we just came out with it. You're gonna see it at PRI, and hope to see you there.
So while they're working on the 720S over there, we've also got the C8 Z06 back here that is also getting one of our WIKD exhausts. Michael is currently in the process of disassembling for that, and we have another one. So we're very excited, and we got a lot going on right now. It's very chaotic, but we are going to have this thing ready to go for PRI Monday. So have we ever taken the tail end of this thing apart? Is it difficult? Well, that's good. Just curious.
They gave me the easy ones. They felt sorry for me. So I would get the shit jobs.
There's a lot of like.
Bros for life.
Got your back, bro.
I've never seen a C8 Z06 without the tail end off of it, so I'm actually kind of excited to see that.
Giant plastic piece.
I filmed it one time.
All right, well, I'm not excited to see it anymore.
It's not anything cool.
Actually, it was just a C8. It wasn't the Z06.
That's the same.
Yeah,
It's the
same.
No,
Especially with the bumper on.
that's only
No.
base model owners.
Box Goblin, get out of here. No. Get out of here, Box Goblin.
I'm gonna
These are our boxes. Get out of here.
I'm gonna gobble the boxes.
Looking over here stealing our boxes. Bro.
Weird.
Look at him, dude. We're just letting him steal our boxes.
Hey, stop stealing our boxes.
Box Goblin.
No boxing.
I tried.
Yeah.
I tried.
Didn't work.
Can't order anymore.
up to like 9,000 RPMs. It'll probably.
Center tune, so it's literally
Yeah.
I don't know if the neighbor's gonna be so happy on this one.
That cold
On
start
the
is.
dyno.
Oh yeah, on the
Dyno, underload.
Dude,
As soon as you like drowning, we need to
I
find the
tried to tell you
nearest
it's gonna
tunnel and just
Tunnel. You don't need a tunnel.
Addison.
a long tunnel.
Go to the airport, Addison.
Oh yeah.
The tunnel.
Oh yeah.
If you're Addison cop behind you. Yeah, there's.
Hell yeah.
That thing sounds wicked.
Ready? And just like that, the exhausts on our C8 Z06 and the 720S are installed, and holy crap, they sound absolutely insane. They also look awesome too, so come check this out. Dude, I was blown away with how loud the C8 is now. Like, I knew it was gonna be crazy loud as soon as the 720 fired up, because the 720 was way louder, and this being naturally aspirated means it's just naturally gonna be crazy loud in comparison. But yeah, these exhausts look wild. This one's still a little bit hidden by the bumper, but the 720S exhaust, they didn't put this centerpiece back on, and so we can really see how that all turned out. And dude, this looks so cool. This is what we get to do for work. Dude, I'm so stoked. I cannot wait. I can't wait for everyone to see these things. So if you find yourself at PRI 2024, which is what, in a few days, be sure to stop by booth 4005 and see these cars in person. And who knows, maybe sometime throughout the course of the weekend, you'll actually hear them start up, because holy crap, dude, they sound wild. All right, and that's that. We got everything all sorted out on the cars, exhausts are on. So now what we're getting ready to do, we're just gonna get them loaded on the trailer and get them up to Indianapolis. So like I said before, be sure if you're heading to PRI this year, stop by booth 4005, see all the exhausts, the radiator, fans, all this new stuff, and of course see the cars, because I mean, there's nothing these videos are gonna do to like do these exhausts justice and the sounds of them. So definitely stop by, and with that, we're gonna close out this video. So until next time, we'll see y'all later.